Hi everyone, welcome to the physics class. And in the last class, we were discussing about the force, what is meant by a force, and what are the effects of force, or what happened to the object when a force is applied on the object. And today we think about what is the magnitude of a force, or what is the value of a force, and what are the factors on which the value of force depends on. And the value of force is called the magnitude of force. And the force acting on an object depends on two factors. One is the magnitude or value of the force, or the second one is the direction in which the force is applied. And with some activities or with some examples, we will come to the point. Okay. And here is a big box, and suppose this is very heavy box, and the box is placed at a particular position, or the box is at rest now, and with the application of force I can make this box to move. Now the box is at the position A. I want to change the box into the position B. For that I need to apply some force on this object. And here I must apply a large force to move it, because this is very heavy. With a less force or a small force, I can't make it to move, because this is very heavy object. So I need to apply more force. Or I can say that magnitude of the force should be more. And I applied a large force on the box A, and so that I could change that box from the position A to this position. Now this is the latest position of B. So I could change the position from A to B, and this is very heavy box, so I applied very large force, and I can say that here what force applied is that is having very high magnitude, or value of force I applied is very high. And I pulled in the same direction. If I want to move the object from A to B, I can't move it upwards. I need to move it in downward direction. So this is the direction in which I applied force. Clear? I applied a large force in this direction, the same direction in which I need to move this object. As a result of that application, the body could displace from the position A to B. Or here a large force is applied, and the force is applied not opposite to the direction of the motion, in the same direction in which I need to move the object. Clear? And here force applied depends on two factors. One is the magnitude or value of force, and second one is the direction in which the force is applied. And in next activity, you can see a small ball having very less weight. So this is a weightless ball, a tennis ball. It is comparing with the first heavy box. This is very light in weight. So I need to apply very less force to make it to move from one place to another. And now A is the position of this light ball, and I want to change that ball into a latest location, that is to B. In this case, I need to apply very less force, because the object is very light in weight. For that, I need to apply very less force to make it to move from the position A to the position B. Here, what I want to do is, I want to apply a force, but it should be very less in magnitude, or the magnitude of the force I applied here is very less, and the direction is in the same direction, or from left to right. I applied the force in the direction from left to right, but this is very less force, because that is enough to make the object to move from the position A to B. So force depends on two factors. One is the magnitude of the force, and second one is the direction in which it is moving. So according to the direction, according to the according to the direction and according to the magnitude, it can produce some results. Okay, with this I conclude today's session. Thank you.